The data science algorithms and data software set presented in this video provides a graphical representation, analysis, visualization, prediction, and comparison of the coronavirus contamination and fatalities. The knowledge-based dataset algorithms enable analysis of parameters that include all cases of novel coronavirus, recovered, updates of confirmed deaths, and the number of active cases. The data analytics algorithm is primarily built with Python and uses Anaconda Spyder dependency for data transformation, number crunching to generate the estimates. The graphical representation tracks the number of infected cases and help visualize the relative scale of spread of COVID-19 coronavirus. The data science software algorithms graphics provides updates with new data as it becomes available. The numerical Python NumPy is the library equipped with useful resources that make Python into a powerful scientific analysis modeling tool. The library empowers Python with data structures to perform multidimensional arrays and matrices calculations. The right callback function on the above software algorithm retrieves matplotlib library to perform animations in this specific development and this particular design. Data science coronavirus software algorithm design methodology. The methodology consists of import matplotlib library and import of NumPy. Define coronavirus parameters, that is incubation, whether if it is severe, and the fatality rate. Set virus as a class. Create annotations such as infected, death, and recovery. Create member variables that includes number infected, number recovered, number of death, and fatality rate. Then define the initial number of population, such as currently infected, total number infected, theta indices. Then define the virus spread, exposure to virus before and after. Assign symptoms, assign recovery, update status, and function animation, which is a graphical representation of the software algorithm architectural model. for animation in Matplotlib library. I created an object of a class called Matplotlib.animation. The three important parameters to be given are fig, function, and frames. Frames contain the variables on which the animation is to be done. Here I save the animation into an MP4 file.